My daughter's just back from her Nordic ski camp. She had a great time, but it was time to clean out her drink belt. Usually this is a task I really don't look forward to, but with Bottle Bright, it was a snap. Sporty families are going to love the Bottle Bright bottle cleaning tablets. They're made with plant and mineral-based ingredients, and they're perfect for those cycling bottles, water bottles, hydration packs, anything that your family carries to stay hydrated. Simply fill the drink belt, container, or bottle with warm water. Add 1 tablet, and then Bottle Bright does the work. Just let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Once you've let the Bottle Bright sit, it's time to go back and rinse. Just a simple rinse and it's ready to go. It smells clean and fresh. There's no residue, no funny taste afterwards. It's a simple solution for active families, and it also works great to remove those coffee stains from your beloved travel mugs.